Do you know what's this? This is lemongrass. Hello everybody, I'm Zin. Welcome back to my channel. The other day, I went to the market to buy my weekly groceries. At this vegetable store, I saw this one whole pile of lemongrass, so I decided to buy some of it. And today, we'll be teaching you how to make this very delicious lemongrass chicken. So let's start! I have already defrosted 2 chicken thighs and we will cut into small pieces first. Next, I will prepare the lemongrass to marinate our chicken. For the lemongrass, I will be using the bottom and the middle section of it. This area has lots of flavor and is softer to stir fry later. The top part, I will freeze it and use it for the next time for other dishes. Lemongrass will be chopped into small pieces like this. We will use half for marinating and the other half to stir fry. In the marinating bowl, we will add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and some black pepper. Mix it up and leave it aside for 10 minutes. Next, we will mince 3 cloves of garlic, chop 3 cloves of shallots, and slice 1 chili. In a frying pan, add in some oil and toss in our garlic, shallot, chili, and our lemongrass. Stir fry for about 1 minute or till you can smell the fragrance. Then, we will push the sauteed ingredients to the side of the pan, add in some oil, and put in our marinated chicken. Stir fry till it's fully cooked and turns a little bit brown. Add in some water and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the lemongrass to infuse and bond with our chicken. Prepare some cornstarch water, add it into the pan to thicken the sauce. I will garnish with some cilantro as well for the finishing. Zhang! This is our lemongrass chicken. I serve it with rice, eggs and some cucumber. So let's try it now. This is awesome. Very nice. The lemongrass is really very fragrant. It infused into the chicken thigh. Try my recipe and make it yourself. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my awesome recipes. See you again. Bye bye.